Let's make a single serve salad dressing for one for this small salad that I grew in my garden. First, I'm going to take a teaspoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of water, a teaspoon of your favorite mustard. This is a spicy brown mustard. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of stevia clear just to add a little bit of sweetness just to balance out all the acid. Salt and pepper to taste. Oil and water don't mix. I am using a whisk. Use immediately. Look at that. That is a single serve. And now I'm going to add my homemade chicken salad. Single serve salad dressing from your Foodie Gardener, Shirley. See you soon.